As hunters, outdoorsmen, and dog handlers, there's a fire that burns deep inside of us, a fire that drives us. There's a connection to everything around us, a feeling of being alive, from the highest of highs to the lowest of lows, that nothing else can duplicate. The bond between hunter and dog that a non-hunter will ever begin to comprehend. In life, there's moments, slivers in time, that we will never forget. It's hard to put into words or see it in video, but for me, this pheasant hunt was one of those moments, one of those slivers in time that I will never forget. Good boy. Rooster! Holy! Woo! Boog! Oh! We're on the board, boys. Barely! Good boy. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Come on. Good boy.
Come on, bud. Yep, yep.
I can just snap a picture, dude. Go. Hand. Jeez. I'll take that. Heel.
Oh boy, Boog.
Hold. Give.
Yeah.
Heel. Here. Now he knows what's up. Awesome. Good boy. That's what we're after, dude. That is a little bird. Man, how the hell did you... I don't know. I just think I was so excited. I'm like, bang, bang, bang.
I was going for the safety. I couldn't even hit the safety.
Oh my word. That's like, it's actually happening. Well, both dogs were birdie as shit in here.
Like they were just that far of it a little bit.
Yeah. Well, we're on the board now anyway. That was a solid one there. Good boy. Didn't get it on GoPro. I'm buying a fucking GoPro with hindsight on. Good boy. Shit.
Find him. There
Good. I don't think it's still alive.
No.
We knew there was a bird in there. Good boy. Yeah. Boog is my 1.5-year-old DD. This is his first pheasant hunt, and this was his first official pheasant point. Unfortunately, it happened too quick, and I didn't get the GoPro turned on in time. Oh, that's a nice one. Very good.
Look at your face.
Good boy. Yeah, here, let me get a picture. Man, that was cool. That's his first legit pheasant point there.
Yeah. Last time we did that, it was over in there.
Holy frig. Okay. There is something there. Boog. Hunt him up.
Oh,
nice. What the frig?
I had to.
Oh, absolutely. Good boy. Beautiful point on a mallard.
On a mallard.
It's probably banded too. Come.
First duck I've shot.
Hold. There we go.
Hank, leave it.
Come.
Let him have it.
Heel. That's a beauty. Heel. Hold.
Had to.
Absolutely. Hold.
Good boy, Hank.
Give. You're a boy.
Still alright.
No, you riddled him. That's just nerves, dude. He is beat.
No band?
No, not that.
Oh, come on.
Feet won't stop moving, but good chance of it down here. They ban. Is my GoPro running?
Red light?
Yeah. What the frick are the odds of that? Here, hold that up. I'll get it. Get your.
Now he's in there pointing back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hold that up. We'll get a picture. That was cool, man. They both went on point on that.
Yeah. We'll go back and point.
Yeah, frig.
Come. Come. Come.
Straight mounted.
Come.
Oh, whoa him. Whoa! Whoa! You can't hear me with that bell, can you, dude? Oh.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
Could be a rooster here, though.
I wonder if that was a running bird or he just,
I think so.
or hot scent or something like that.
Hi, Hank, this way. Yeah.
He's like, what are you doing?
Come on.
Well, we get into some birds anyway, or a bird. That's good. That's real good. Oh, that one, he's keen too now. I think so. Oh. Rooster! That's a hen or rooster, I can't tell. Is that a rooster there?
I don't know, I think so.
I,
Come.
One landed there and one landed over there.
okay. Boog! Be ready, there could be 3 busted, there could be more. Yes, sir!
Did you get it?
Hunt him up! Yeah, he did. I couldn't tell if that was a rooster for sure.
Yeah.
I didn't want to shoot. Because hens kind of have a long tail too.
Oh yeah, look at the freaking tail on that.
That's a dandy! Hey! Friggin' right! Man, you got one nice cock. I think it was too. The one that was close. Fuck! Is that a rooster? Are you sure? Man, I can't tell from here.
That's the lighting.
Whoop! He was coming downwind of that one. Or the wind was not in his favor. I'll go right in the shit. Good boy. And holy shit balls. Oh, that scared the hell out of me. Whew. Boog. Wow. I was on top of that thing. Oh, we said right by this bush. Man.
Boat. Boat.
Wind's definitely in his face. I tried that first one too. Watch him. Watch him.
My first one was a misfire.
Right there. Boom.
Right where that tall black thing is.
You hammered that one, you and I.
Wonder if we should go right after that.
I'll go grab
Okay. Right way up there. I'm just gonna walk straight to that. Man, you want to throw that in my bag?
Yeah, that's a GoPro video.
Yep.
We smoked.
That was a wicked point.
Did you hit? You didn't hit this one, did you?
No, I had to miss.
I think we both
We hit them at the same time.
tagged that one hard.
Boy, both his legs broke.
Oh, I friggin' just obliterated it. Okay, that stick is right up there. It's a dark one.
For 170 yards.
Yeah, he did. Second rooster. Whoa. He actually pointing good. He's bleeding too. We hit that bird hard. Just grab my gun. Thanks. Holy cow. Good boy. Good boy. Ow.
Yeah.
Good boy. We got him. He's hurting.
He doubled up on that bird at that point.
Yeah.
Now he might be on point again. He's 200 yards. Bunch. We're friggin' doubled up on that point.
I know.
And 170 some yard point.
Holy.
Wow.
And I'm recording now, right?
Yeah.
Man, it's a good thing we come after that bird. That friggin' tall, dark one right there.
Yeah.
Boog just went around. Oh, right here. Whew. And he was
There's
dead.
no way that we didn't hit it.
Oh man, I felt good on that.
I thought decent on it too, and then it kept on flying. So
Yeah.
The other one.
He might be on point again. So we doubled on roosters right there.
Here, money.
Oh, okay. We doubled on roosters. Oh, didn't stone dead that one, but it's dead.
We stone dead the second one.
Oh, too much, yeah. Frig.
Pretty well rubber.
Yeah. Man, that's great.
Don't feel so bad about leaving early now.
Nope. I think we're gonna get her done. One more bird, man. I'm gonna make sure I loaded.
Come. Hey. Come here.
Wicked. That was dandy. Man, look at his nose, red. Good boy.
Good boy, Boogie.
He feels like he partook in it.
Oh, he did. He found that bird that we wanted.
Yeah, yeah, we walked by it.
We wouldn't buy her before. And I found it. Got the dog.
Yeah. Oh man, a double.
Yeah, you were getting that guy. That was pretty decent.
Yeah, they're.
In there.
Oh.
Easy, Hank. Whoa.
You guys got a bird in here or what?
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. I'm talking to you. He's looking straight that way. Oh shit, there's something moving here. Ah! Did you get it? My gun just did the same thing. I just saw that friggin' bushes moving. I got a click as well, eh?
Really?
Yeah. Holy. I only got one shot off. Roaster! Boog. Holy, there's another rooster, eh? Woo! Boys, what a friggin' day. Man. You saw it up here?
Find him. Find him. Find him. He's right in this stuff.
Get him. Up. Oh no.
Last I seen him, he jumped right in this stuff right here.
Come.
Yep. Find him. Find him. Right here. Right here. Right here. Find him. Like he was very good.
Come.
Find him. Right here. Find him. Find that bird. Find that bird. Right here. Find him.
No.
That bird.
Oh, he's
Get
got
him.
it. I walked on it.
Get him.
Good boy.
All right.
Here, Boog. Jeez, can you hold this?
Leave it. You wanna take it?
He can't hear a word I'm saying.
I guess he's still alive here.
You missed out on all the fun, dude. You can't hear me.
Easy.
That's all right, though.
Easy.
Nice bird, too.
Very good. 2 roosters right in there.
That was a hard one there. I had to relocate twice.
Ooh.
Find him.
Yeah, they both did it. That's freaking awesome. Like Boog went on point and Hank went on point. Then Hank knew. I'm gonna slide ahead. And they were on the other side of that bank, man. They probably freaking walked over there.
Another nice bird.
Beauty. That's friggin' awesome. Well, our vests are full, gentlemen.
That's it. And there was another one there, wasn't there? That flushed.
Yeah, there was a rooster. Yeah, thank you. There we go, man. You got
Vests are
tails at
full.
both sides.
Tails and ducks.
All
Muskrat.
right, I'm unloaded, gentlemen.
I was.
Yes,
and then
sir.
I put one
Just-
back in her because he took off.
Didn't strike hard enough.
No.
2 of them. Yeah. Huh.
Yep. We're limited. That don't happen. 3-man limit on last day. Nice.
Oh, man. Just in time.
Yeah, I guess we're going home early.
Man, they work well together, eh? For 2 dogs that never worked before and
We never met really.
and young.
When
Like
we went last year.
like one's super young. Well, that bird landed right there, didn't it?
Yeah, it was funny. It ran clear up to there.
Oh.
I busted it out of the grass there and then took off again. I thought it was going to fly.
Yeah, he's right on where that landed. Holy frick.
Oh.
What a day. Man, that's a wicked day of pheasant hunting there, guys. And duck hunting. Yeah, I'm
Very good bird work.
beyond happy for a 1.5-year-old dog.
They were over here.
Well, we just finished up a 3-man limit of pheasants. This is Boog's very first pheasant hunt. 1 year and 6 months old. We were out with Dusty and his dog Hank. Hank's 3 years old. He did really good. Both dogs did friggin' awesome. We ran them together all day. And both dogs had awesome points. Both dogs double pointed. 0 issues, like no bumping birds, nothing. It was unbelievable. Unreal day, super fun. We get out about 9 o'clock or so, and it's 2:30 right now. I don't even know what time it is. Dusty and them, they're just going get Hank. He went on point again way out there. So anyway, unbelievable. First year for pheasant season in New Brunswick. Got to hunt. First year we had a turkey season. Got 2 turkeys with my wife and I. We both threw a tag. It was just an insane day. This is so much fun to do something new. And to hunt with the dog is, I don't know. I couldn't even think about hunting anything else without my dog. Like, it is so much fun. Like, what an absolute blast today. Super fun. Cannot wait to go do it again. Might have to go do it in Nova Scotia before their season's done, but wicked dog work. Really good shooting. I don't even know how many birds we moved, but we moved a lot. We got way out there, exactly where I thought they would be, and that's where the friggin' things were, and it paid off. Right in that crap there. Anyway, we got a 3-hour drive home. Just an incredible day.